Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to analyze Airbnb properties using AirDNA. So for example, I was looking for properties in Washington, D.C., and I found this one right here. It is in Capitol Hill, and it is a one bedroom, one bath, has two beds, can house two guests, right? So all you want to do is take this code, right? And take it to AirDNA and paste it right here in the search bar. And then you can go ahead and see it is listed in Washington, D.C. So this is the STR listing ID we just copied, which is the short-term rental listing ID. So I'll go ahead and select that. And now we will see the specific property. And as you can see, now we can see the revenue potential this property could be having, how much monthly, annual revenue it does actually make. And it is available about 298 days a year, and this is the average daily rate. And you can come here and look at other different properties in this similar area and how much they are listed for. So you can basically try to see if this area is a good investment opportunity. So let me come and click on this property right here. This one is doing about 36.9,000. This one is doing $51,000. It is also a one bedroom, one bath, but this one can house four people, 62% occupancy. Let's go ahead and check this out. This one is doing way more in revenue. It has really good ratings. This one also has a lot of ratings, guys. As you can see, 388 ratings, 5 stars. Then you can go ahead and check out this one. And of course, once we are done with this, I will also show you the calculator, right? So we have this one. It's a large one bedroom apartment. It is doing actually as much as its revenue potential. And this is the average daily rate. And if I scroll down, you can see these are actually locked right here. So what you can do is you can come here to Airbnb and see that listing there as well and see what it looks like. It's the same exact property. Right now, if I close this, okay, and then now if I come to the actual market overview of Washington, D.C., so I basically just closed that listing and I can see this market has a market score of 89, right? So it seems to be a good market for Airbnb. It has revenue growth and also rental demand is not that affected by seasonality. So that is good. And the annual revenues are growing by about 11% a year. Occupancy rates are 60%, which is, it's okay. It's decent. Revenues are good. And now if you see the investability, basically the average revenue potential against the average mortgage cost. So what you can do here, guys, is come and see the average daily rate, basically how much people charge, right? So if I scroll down, you can see there's almost 12,000 active listings in this area. Most of them are one bedrooms, and we have some two bedrooms as well. So you can go ahead and go for things that are already working, or if you see that there's actually a gap in the market, maybe in 5 bedrooms, you can go ahead and look into getting into that. As you can see here, the active listings have grown over the last 3 years, about 7%, and a lot of rental growth that has been happening. Now, if you scroll down even more, you'll see 60% occupancy rate. People usually stay for about 3.4 days on average, and booking lead time is 39 days, which means that people tend to book about 39 days in advance. The average monthly occupancy over, let's do the last 3 years, has, let's see, says grown by 14%. So this is actually a good market you can invest in. And if you want, you can come here and look at properties that would be doing a similar amount. So if I come here and click on properties for sale, we have about 4,400 properties. And you can see, for example, this property right here, it will tend to do, $37.7 thousand dollars in revenue. It's a $310,000 property, 69% occupancy. And if you do the yield, This is 12.2% yield it will make you if you go ahead and buy it. So it does even calculate your returns for you and how many days it has now been on the market. So you can go ahead and grab those properties up, right? And it's really that easy and simple, guys.